Mabuhay! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to your home. Today's recipe is pinakbet, or stir-fried vegetables with shrimp paste. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: shrimp paste, cooking oil, vegetable stock, garlic, onion, tomato, bitter melon, okra, squash, string beans, aubergine, and water. Before we start cooking, here is a quick tip. Some people in the Philippines eat the bitter melon as it is, but for Western palate, it may taste too bitter. Now, I show you the procedure how to take the bitterness away. Place the bitter melon in a large bowl and add the salt. Mix well. And leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the bitter melon. Rinse well with cold running water. Give it a good rinse. Rinse it and squeeze it with your hands until the saltiness go away. You can taste it. It's good. Salt's gone away now. Ready to cook. Place on the top of kitchen towel to dry off the excess water. Now bitter melon is ready to cook. Heat the oil on the pan. Now the oil is hot, add garlic. Stirring continuously until golden brown. Add onion. Stir continuously until onions soft. Now the onion is soft, add tomato. Stirring continuously until tomatoes soft. Now the tomato is soft, add shrimp paste. And then add squash. Add water. Add string beans. Mix together. Then add aubergine. Mix. Add okra. Mix. And add bitter melon. Now the vegetables are all in. Add the vegetable stock. Give it a stir. Cover. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Pinakbet is now done. Ready to serve with steamed rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon!